Hoover Dam and Grand Canyon tour. Let's go!
Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. Lucid dreams of you and me.
So we are currently at the Hoover Dam, and something I did not know about the Hoover Dam was that it separates Nevada to Arizona. So we came from Nevada, it's over there, and now we're on the Arizona side. Fun fact, you learned while you're on tour.
Overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me.
We're on the Memorial Bridge over the Hoover Dam, and we were in Arizona, and now we're going back to Nevada.
There's 100 million acres of land, and that is owned by the Native American tribe called the Wallapai. And so a lot of the individuals that work at the Grand Canyon are a part of the Wallapai tribe. And when you get here, there's going to be several bus stops, and there are 3 main bus stops. We're currently at the first one, and the first bus stop is what they call the Wallapai Ranch. And it's just basically like a novelty kind of thing where you take good, like, cute, I guess, like, quirky pictures, like if you're on a Western style ranch. But you can also see the Grand Canyon over there. So that's just the first stop.
Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.
The second stop is Eagle Point. It's a very beautiful view of the Grand Canyon. The reason why is because there's 2 high points, and there's a rock formation that connects it that looks like an eagle.
Now we're at Guano Point, and we're having lunch, and we have an amazing view.
Hello. I'm just casually sitting in the Grand Canyon right now. We're currently at a part, it's the third part of the tour, it's the third stop, I mean, that is called Guano Point. And the story is that there's a bat cave around here, and guano is the word that means bat poop. So that's why they call it Guano Point. But we had a delicious lunch despite the name of this location. We had a delicious lunch with an amazing view, and just sitting here and realizing like how big this place is, it puts into perspective how small you are. So it's just really cool. Don't you agree? Yeah. Mimi's down there because we had to walk up a little hill, but we're here. We're just gonna chill for a minute. We'll show you some B-roll, some pretty music of the Grand Canyon. Okay, bye-bye. again. Can you hear me?
Yes.
No, we're walking this way. Walk this way.
I know, you were too close.
Oh,
I knew what I was doing. You were too close.
is that better?
Yes.
So the second stop is called Eagle Point, and it's a very beautiful canyon.
Great Canyon.
The second